So, when you take a screenshot on your Android phone, where does the screenshot go? Well, there's a couple ways to find them, and the easiest way could actually be to use the Files app. So, I'll swipe up to go to my app drawer, and then I will go to the Files app. Here, I could scroll all the way down to Internal Storage, and then this will show all the folders on my phone. Here, I can go to Pictures, and then there's a subfolder for Screenshots, and that's where I have all the screenshots on my phone. Another way to look at these would be through the Google Photos app. So I will go to Photos, and then here I'm going to tap Collections on the bottom. Then within the collections, you'll see buttons up here for different categories, and I can tap Screenshots from the categories. And again, it's going to show all my screenshots here. Basically, the Files app shows the actual files, and the Photos app shows those same files, but in a more visually friendly way. If you are using something like a Samsung phone, it all works the same but looks slightly different. Here's my Samsung Galaxy phone, and on this one, just like we did on the other phone, I could find the Files app first. The Files app on a Samsung is going to look a little different, but we're not going to let that bother us. So here I'll tap Internal Storage, and you might notice that Samsung does not put screenshots under the Pictures folder. At least mine does not. You'll usually find them under the DCIM folder, which is the place for all the digital camera files, whether that's photos taken on the phone or screenshots. And here I have a screenshot folder with all my screenshots in it. If you're using something like the Samsung Gallery app, you'll usually find these there too. So I will go to the app drawer and I'll search for the Gallery app. Then within the Gallery app, you might even see your screenshots right there, mixed in with all your photos. But another way to find them would be to go to the Albums tab on the bottom. And then within those essential albums, you'll see a Screenshots album that has nothing but all your screenshots in it. So different phones, different solutions, but overall, it's pretty easy. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more simple guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.